Hello everyone, this video is all about approval purchase requisition. It will streamline and formalize the approval flow workflow for the procurement requisitions and request with the organization. This system ensures that all the purchase requisition are viewed, approved and tracked efficiently and promoting accountability and transparency throughout the procurement cycle, and it will also help to process enhance decision making, minimize errors and ensure the compliance with the budgetary concentrate. And so let's see how this will work. So first of all, we go into the setting, we go into the users, we go into the Michelle, and here you can see one section of officer purchase requisition. We will enable that option. Then we will enable the procurement audit purchase, and then we will enable a warning can be set on product or a customer purchase, and also we will enable the account department purchase and heat procurement purchase, and also we will enable procurement office purchase. And after enabling this, we will save the changes, and now we go into the mark and same. Here we will assign all the previous one which you have created a procurement audit, then we will create a warning can be set on product customer, then account department, head procurement and the procurement office, and we will assign the purchase requisition. After doing this, we will save this, and now we will go into the purchase module, and under the purchase we can create a memo template. So here we have a memo. We can go into the memo and we will create a memo template. We can directly click on new button and you can click, we can create a new memo. I have already created one. We will assign the template content, and now we go into the order requisition. We go into the purchase requisition in the orders, and we will create a new request. We assign the request owner as a mark, then we assign a department over here, and we will add the product line. Let's suppose I am adding large cabinet and large desk. After doing that, we go into the description part, and we can add description if you want. Right now I'm not assigning any description over here. Then we go into the budget, and we will add any budget, how much budget you want to add. We can add number of budgets. Simply I am assigning right now only one budget. Then we go into the approvers, and we will assign the approvers for which we need approves. And here is the required field. Let's suppose if I click on the Michelle admin, and now if I want to approve this, I also have to log in through Michelle, and I have to give approve separately. Right now I'm not using this. Right now we are not enabling required field. Then we go into the request officer. Here you can see signature is not fetched right now automatically, so we will save this, and we will click on the signature by requesting officer. And here you can see the requesting owner is Mark Demo, and the signature of Mark will automatically fetch. After all this configuration, we click on the submit button, and we'll see it will be submitted. Then we go approve this requisition, and it goes into the approved. And now we will create a requisition. We click on the create requisition. Here you can see one smart tab will pop up, which is purchase requisition. We click on the purchase requisition, and one requisition is created. We go into the requisition, and here you can see our order, which is large cabinet and a large desk over here. Buyer will be there, agreement type will be there, and everything, reference number and everything is there. Now we will confirm this order, and here we will invite the vendor. Now we will assign any of this. We can assign. I am going with consulting services, and we click on the create RFQs. After, here you can see RFQ is created, and here you can see RFQ order. We have one RFQ order right now. We go into the RFQ order. Here the reference number is there, vendor is there, buyer and source procurement. We go into this, and here you can see we have our order large cabinet large desk. We will assign the unit price. Let's suppose I'm assigning 400 and 200. After doing this, we will save this and we will confirm this order. Right now it is in RFQ state, so we will send by email, and from here you can send an email to the customer, and here you can see the email is sent and RFQ is sent. Now we want to approve this. So to approve this, we're going to click simply send to approve button, and when we click on the send to approve button, it will give us the different stages for which we have to approve. Right now I have give access to Michelle, so he can only approve all the access right now, as we have configured in the user. So right now we have procurement officer. We will give right to procurement officer, then we will approve for procurement audit, then head procurement, and then accounts department. And after over here we have confirm order. Once we click on the confirm order, you can see purchase order is created. And now what we do, now we will create a memo. So we go into the purchase requisition and we will close this requisition, and here you can see after closing that requisition we get a smart button for create a memo. We click on the create a memo. Again we will assign a request owner, we'll assign the department, and now we have to assign from where it is coming. So we go into the to and from, assign the from as a chief executive officer. And here is the memo template which we have created. I am assigning a test template which is I have created, and we will give a title test. And here again, if you want to add budget, you can add. And when we assign a memo template, it will automatically fetch the memo description. Then you can give a memo budget over here if you want to give. And again, here you can give approvers if you want to give. And we will save this. And now we have saved, and here we get the two approvals. We go on to this, and here you can see to submit, which is left out, which we just recently created the memo. And here is the create purchase requisition. We go into the memo, and here you can see we have option of submit and attach the document. If you want to attach any document, you can attach from here. We will submit this, and here you can see each and every details are fetched automatically, and we will approve this. After approving, it goes into the approved stage. Clicking on withdraw, it will refuse it, and we can also print the memo for this. We click on the print memo, and it will print the memo. Here you can see the memo is printed, which is release of funds memo to consultant from chief executive officer, and the name of that officer with the sign and everything. Here is the description which we have created in memo template, and each and every detail will be fetched over here. The approved by Michelle and Joel, which we have assigned. Now we go into again, we go here, and from here also we can we will print the requisition report. We generally click on the print requisition, and from here we can print the purchase requisition form department. And if we add any cost center or sub cost center, it will add automatically over here. Let's suppose if I add any cost request cost center and everything, it will fetch automatically. To add cost center and everything, we go into the our create memo tab. Here we go into the RFQ. Under RFQ we go into the our order, and we go into the other information. Here we have cost center and the sub cost center. We will add cost center and sub cost center, and we will save this. After saving, we again go into print requisition. We'll click on the print requisition, and we'll click and create a new requisition. And now we go into the approvals. Over approval, we go into the create requisition, and from here we will add the all the details over which we required, and then we will create a print requisition, and the requisition is printed. And we will open the PDF, and here you can see all the details is fetched. We will go for requisition officers. head department, and everything is fetch over here. So this is all about this module. If you have any doubt regarding this module, please let us know in the comment section and we will get back to you. And also don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.